Traditional US Schrader valve. Fits tube size 700 cx 35-42 mm. Tubes comes with liquid sealant inside the tube. Designed to reduce flats due to punctures. Top reviews from the United States. This fit my SpinFit 700, hybrid commuter bike. First of all, the tube seemed much more robust than any that I've purchased. Also, the valve is a standard Schrader, not one of those goofy new ones. It was a little gooey feeling due to the self-seal on the inside, but it was so easy to install and inflated well. The valve is holding air and I've been riding on it for a month and a half and so far I haven't had any difficulties. Honestly, I was blowing tires left and right due to gravel on the sidewalks that was being thrown up by repaving crews before I got this tube, and now I don't have any trouble at all. Well worth the price.